importing, editing, exporting. Subscribe the Super Learning YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Welcome to the Super Learning. I am a professional video editor. I can edit video for YouTube and any other social media. I can edit funny video, news videos, prank videos, Vines videos, and informative videos, and more any other. If you want to edit video for YouTube, Facebook or any other social media, please contact us on WhatsApp and Facebook. I hope this video is very helpful for you. So like and comment on this video. And subscribe this channel Super Learning.